Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I'm going to talk about Reclaim AI. The tutorial of this video is absolutely Reclaim AI, and for beginners this is a full tutorial and productivity setups. So basically Reclaim AI is an intelligent calendar and productivity tool by Dropbox that helps you manage your schedule, build better habits, automate task planning, prioritize your time. It's been a game changer for me. And I will show you step by step how to set it up and make the most out of it. So let's get started. You have to go to reclaim.ai. You can see this. You can see their logo also. So go to this site. You will be prompted to sign up using your Google or Outlook. So currently you may need to join the waitlist, but let's get started. Go to this option like tap on to get your free report. You can simply tap onto it, and if you wish you can just cross it and start manually. So I am connecting with Google for now. Let's get started. As you can see, you can log in using your Microsoft account. This is currently in beta version, but the Google account is like logging in with Google is perfect. So let's gonna log in it. Now tap continue, and that's it. You are logged into Reclaim AI. Maybe Reclaim AI will ask to connect your work calendar, and you can just go ahead and access it. Now let's tap on to continue from here. As you can see, it's asking me to connect main account to continue. So let's connect the main account to continue with Reclaim AI. As I just told you, let's choose my Gmail account, then tap on to continue, and from there you can tap on to select all. It will select your calendars. Now tap on to continue again. So this is very simple steps. Make sure to watch the video perfectly so that you don't make any mistakes. And from here you can add your personal calendar, or if you wish to, like this is the secondary account you will use with Reclaim so that your personal time is blocked. Now if you want you can skip it. Also you can tap continue. Now you have to answer some basic questions like what's bringing you to Reclaim. So I'm gonna choose it to just personal use, then tap on to continue. So now tap on to what best describes your roles. I'm gonna tap on to consultant, and then it will automatically redirect me to the next option. Okay, and if you cannot if the site does not redirect you to the automatic next question, then you just simply tap continue and you will be to the next question. Now answer all the questions here perfectly, like what is your department. I'm gonna tap on to what should I tap, marketing. Okay, now you can tap continue again. You can just skip these questions if you wish to tap skip, and you can do it. Now you can create your schedule link if you wish to, like personalize your booking link. Okay, you can also customize it by adding this manually. As you can see, Reclaim AI already made me a link, so I'll just go with that. Now tap continue. Now you have to choose your auto schedule buffer time, like on the travels time it can add 30-minute buffers before and after events that have a location. You can customize that later. So let's continue. Now let's go to this option. Let's skip this option for now. Now it's asking me to create a team, so let's tap on to finish. Okay, so there we go. We are almost at the Reclaim AI. Reclaim also offers a built-in booking link like Calendly, but integrated into a shell. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the Reclaim AI dashboard. Now from here at the left corner you can see bunch of options like planner. From here you can plan your schedules, priorities, the like the things you prioritize the most. Then you can see stats from here, your calendar stats, your tasks, habits, smart meetings. You can also sync your calendar if you wish to, like tap on to start syncing your calendar, and you can sync your calendar to another website if you want to. Just tap on to add account, then you can add your Microsoft or Google account, and then you have to follow the prompts to add to your another account, like sync your account. Okay, and from here at the bottom you can see this text called invite teammates. Just simply tap onto it, and from there you can add email and tap enter if you wish to. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose what wait, let me type an email mail.com. Now let's enter. Okay, and there you go, almost. And then you have to tap on to send invite. Okay, and they will be asked to accept the invite or cancel it, and they have to enter the answers. You can add new task from here, the top right corner you can see this text new task. Simply tap onto new task and then tap onto task name. If you have to enter title of your task, for example, I'm gonna type um, traveling. Okay, traveling, and then tap on to create this option. So schedule is almost traveling. Okay, as you can see, traveling is scheduled for 5:15 p.m. You can view it in the planner. Okay, also you can change it if you wish to from here. Can change it. Just click on this three dot. You can snooze it, lock it. Also you can view it in the planner. Okay, from here. Now you can change the time if you wish to. Like you can change the time from here, and then you can create the task. You can change the duration, you can change the working hours to personal hours if you wish to, and then again tap on to create task. You can also create tasks from plan work. Like you have to search for a task, then you have to set the timer and then tap on to plan work. So this is how you can use Reclaim AI. You can also get their deal if you wish to. You can get their yearly charges, also monthly charges if you wish to. Like the yearly one is $6.40 a month. You have to pay it for 1 year, like for the 12 months on advance. On the monthly once it is $8 a month. You just have to pay them per month. So I will suggest you, if you want to use Reclaim AI for long run, then go with the yearly one. And if you want to just explore the Reclaim AI, you can go with the monthly one, and then you have to tap on to continue on Stripe, and from there you have to log in on your Stripe and pay your fees. So that was it, and you have now got Reclaim AI fully set up too. Now you can automate your schedule, protect focus times, and etc. If this video helped, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment with any questions or tips you have discovered using Reclaim. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.